because we have 2 days work. We are working 4 days very hard, and today we slow down. This was relaxing. We got tactically movements, setup spaces. This kind of training, when you have the intensitas down, you have to do technique tactic a lot of the stop the game, teach them, and practice.
Ya, banyak katanya. Ini 3-4 latihan sebelumnya kita memang latihan berat. Jadi memang saya sengaja untuk membuatkan latihan intensitasnya diturunin, dan pada saat ada penurunan intensitas, dan situlah kita tekankan teknik, taktik, shadowing, banyak berhenti, coaching.
Because we make 2-3 systems and to be ready, how me offensive, how me defensive, because we have different players, we cannot sometimes continue with same system, we have to change system.
Ya, katanya kita ada siapkan beberapa rencana yang dia tadi katakan sistem, bagaimana kita bertahan, bagaimana kita menyerang, rencana apa kalau rencana tidak berjalan.
And everybody have to understand, because everybody have to be ready, because we don't know this new protocol. If somebody is get positive, there are 2 players out. Everybody have to be ready to play. That's why we play this.
Perlu siap aja, perlu siap, dan semuanya mengerti apa yang kita mau lakukan. Kalaupun misalnya ada terjadi sesuatu yang tidak kita inginkan, contoh positif, kita tidak minta-minta, yang isi posisinya itu harus sudah mengerti apa yang kita mau terapkan nanti di lapangan.
Because we Friday have the game, we have the friendly game, and after we have to ready for after we don't know when we play, 3rd, 4th, and 5. Everything depends.
Ya, kita akan rencanakan nanti latih tanding, uji coba, dan setelah itu kita akan menunggu kabar apakah kita akan main di tanggal berapa itu. Setelah itu.
Lawan siapa, Coach?
Nottingham Forest, Manchester City. Yes, Manchester City. PKB they cannot come because of the quarantine. We cancel game because of the corona. We cancel game this Manchester. Guardiola I talked about.
Coach, ada 2 back, center back kemarin yang trial, Olisa dan juga Jeki dipulangkan. Itu apakah nanti akan datang lagi pemain baru?
Welcome one more player. They are working on PCR. We have some players and maybe come from the loan from other club. The boss happy talking to them, and the very one good team. They have a lot of players and they can loan some players to us. We are looking for that possibility too.
Ya, katanya, ya dengar sih bisa jadi ada banyak katanya tadi beberapa pemain yang dia hubungi ke Pak Api, mereka masih menunggu. Pak Api juga beri kepastian ke dia. Masih beberapa.
We coba, we don't know what's happening.
Ya, kita tidak tahu ibaratnya apakah rencana pemanggilan ini akan berhasil atau tidak.
We have 1-2 players very good who play the league, but they don't have vaccine.